Famous poet, prose writer and novelist Ayub Khoso was born on May 1, 1971, in village Haji Ahmed Khoso, near Jhudo, near Taluka Dughori of Mir Purkaz district. He studied up to BA and B.Sc. He started his literary journey with poetry in 1989, and his first poem was published in the monthly magazine, Soni. In a short time, he became one of the important poets of Nai Tehi. His ghazals and poems are considered very influential and mature. His poetry has been continuously published in various literary magazines of Sindh. Ayub Khoso has also been active in literary organizations. He was a member of Sindhi Adabi Sangat Jhudo and Nayakot, while he also served as the Central Joint Secretary of Sindhi Adabi Sangat Sindh Markaz. Apart from this, he is also one of the founder members of Press Club Nayakot. In his professional life, he worked in various fields. After teaching in a private school from 1991 to 1998, he was associated with an NGO called World Food, and then with the agricultural sector. A difficult period came in his life when he had to spend a few years in the central jail, Hyderabad, due to a case filed by some fanatics. His literary works include several important books, including poetry, prose, novels, letters, and research works. These include The Shroud of Roses, 2002, Behind the Walls of the World, Jail Diary, 2003, for which the Academy of Letters awarded a prize of 150,000 rupees, The Sky of Solitude, 2004, The Rain Thinks, 2005, Look at the Travels, F206, Look at the Travelers, 2007, Call from the Edges, 2008, Sindh is Sad, 2010, The Wings of Awakening, 2013, The Sweetest of the Supernatural, 2015, The Weishans, 2016, The Lost Heir, Novel 2016, The Lost Heir, Novel 2013, 2018, and Beyond the Dark, 2019. Ayub Khoso received several important awards in recognition of his literary talents and intellectual contributions, including the Suju Karachi Award, Sindh Rani Award, Bitai Award, Amar Ruplo Kolhi Award, Kalyan Award, Radio Network Joel Munkta Award, and Madar Watan Award.